Right, welcome back. Here's where we left off. A couple things I decided that we're gonna be able to see the inside of this because we're gonna put a door in the front of this. So I went out ahead and cut the cardboard that was from the larger circle out and made a piece out of the white to make it look like it's part of the tower. We're just going to glue that in place. And then we'll decorate this in the back. So as soon as we cut this inside, we're going to have to decorate the whole interior. Another way you can do that is if you have like a textured roller of some kind, you can use, rolled sheets. I use the rolling machine to roll these. If I do this again, I'll make sure that I use a piece that doesn't have the shiny extruded side because it'll lay much flatter, much easier to bend too. So I'll probably do something like that for the inside, just use these, redo these. I just wanted to show these for an example. Alright, what I'm going to do is mark my line for the bottom. It comes around, and I just want to mark out my opening, probably mark out my opening on that. This is the down piece. It's going to come down from the upper part that makes them part of the door. What we're going to do next real quick is we're going to cut little 1 3/4 inch pieces that we can use to build our wall back here. I need something to glue the wall to, so they're going to stick underneath here. Just that much, each piece. Just make sure we do each piece exactly the same length. I'm going with 1 1/4 inch. This was a little short, so maybe we're going to go with 1 1/2. Alright, we got the inside painted real quick. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to line this up. Something that we need to worry about is the stairs coming down. The way I'm doing this, when this is all glued together, is that the area back here will be perfectly flat, even up to the little fake wall that we added here in just one spot, and we'll make that like the center. And we'll just center everything off of that portion of the back. So before you glue this together, you may want to take and make your stairs. The way I'm going to make my stairs is I'm going to take around this, just like this, and bring them down. Alright, we're getting close to starting to put some bricks in. Made a few components here. This is going to be my door onto the side. Just going to stick like that. We'll brick around all this. And then I made a disc. It's going to sit in the center here. And then for some of my pathway, I took some of these and did some circles for the pathways leading to the door and to the back stairwell. I also think I want to use some of these. I reinforced these with a little stick on the inside. Stick them throughout. as we go along. The way I made these discs is I just use my rolling machine with the texture, and I have these little metal designs that I just roll through the rolling machine onto the foam. You might be able to find something similar in plastic. You might be able to 3D print something of the nature and just use the item itself. So instead of the imprint, you would, which also looks extremely well, trust me. But using it as a cutter or a design part, you can reuse it several times. That's why I do it that way. Also made this little chimney, little seashell bead here. Little plastic tube. I just heated up the tube and bent it just a little bit. Took one of these designs, basically punched a hole through it, and we're gonna put a little chimney over here, like so. And this will be all painted, so might have to sand the top of this shell. I'll probably do that outside because I don't want that dust to get in my lungs. So this will go right here. We'll brick up around it. Do something like that nature.